What is up, everybody? My name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ridgid 18-volt dual-port rapid multi-charger. Does two batteries at the same time. The biggest thing about this guy that I absolutely love is it is simultaneous. I've had a couple of other multi-chargers that are multi-chargers, but what they actually do is they charge one battery, then when that one's full, it goes on to the next one, and then the next one, etc. Whereas this one charges both of them at the same time, so it doesn't have to finish one and then go on to the other. Really cool charger here, you guys. And so this is it right here. Two ports, has indicators for each battery. Model number on this is R86095. And another cool feature on this guy is the plug actually has a plug in the back of it, so you don't have to use up the plug if you have limited plugs. They literally almost thought of everything with this guy. I really like this charger. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in for you. Alright, and again, you still have this plug if you need it, which is really neat. So we're gonna go ahead and throw two batteries on here. As you can see, it's reading and then charging, and reading and then charging this one at the same time. It's charging this battery and it's charging this battery. The power of simultaneous. Make sure if you get a dual charger and you want them to charge at the same time, it says simultaneous. If not, it's gonna do one and then the other one. So love this charger, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button. We are giving away this this Milwaukee 2-tool M18 kit. Impact driver, drill driver, 1.5 amp battery, a charger, and a bag. So hit that subscribe, hit the likes. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Take care, guys.